In today's world, smart homes aren't just a trend, they're becoming the standard. This Google Nest Thermostat is one of the most popular smart thermostats on the market, and for good reason. Not only does it help you save energy, but it also provides an unmatched level of comfort, convenience, and control, all at a surprisingly affordable price. If you're looking to upgrade your home's temperature control system, the Nest Thermostat offers the perfect blend of technology, efficiency, and user-friendliness. In this comprehensive review, we'll break down its features, benefits, and the reasons why this smart thermostat is an absolute game-changer for modern households. Click the link below to learn more about the Google Nest Thermostat and take the first step toward creating a smarter, more energy-efficient home today. What makes the Google Nest Thermostat stand out? The Google Nest Thermostat is more than just a traditional thermostat. It's a Wi-Fi-enabled smart device that connects to your smartphone, voice assistants, and smart home platforms, giving you full control of your home's temperature no matter where you are. But there's so much more to it than just basic functionality. Let's explore the top reasons why this thermostat has earned rave reviews and why it should be your next smart home upgrade. Number 1. Energy Star certified for maximum energy savings. One of the key benefits of the Google Nest Thermostat is its ability to help you save money while staying comfortable. The thermostat is Energy Star certified, meaning it meets the highest energy efficiency standards set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. With the Nest Thermostat, you don't have to constantly adjust the temperature manually to ensure your home stays at a comfortable level. It learns your routine over time, adjusting the temperature based on your schedule, reducing energy usage when you're away, and optimizing energy savings when you're home. Number 2. Smart scheduling. Automatically adjusts based on your routine. Gone are the days of manually adjusting your thermostat every time you leave the house or return home. The Nest Thermostat comes equipped with smart scheduling features that automatically adjust your home's temperature based on your lifestyle. For instance, it can turn down the temperature while you're at work or asleep and ensure it's comfortable when you return home. Number 3. Control your home's temperature from anywhere. In the past, you had to be physically present in your home to adjust the thermostat, but with the Google Nest Thermostat, that's no longer the case. Whether you're at work, running errands, or lounging on the couch, you can easily control your thermostat from anywhere using the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. Not only does this provide unmatched convenience, but it also means you can make temperature adjustments on the go. Forgot to turn down the heat before leaving for vacation? No problem. Simply use your phone to adjust the thermostat remotely and ensure your home stays comfortable while saving energy. Number 4. Seamless integration with Google Assistant, Alexa, and other smart home platforms. As part of the Google Nest family, the Nest Thermostat is fully compatible with Google Assistant, Alexa, and other smart home platforms. This means that you can control the temperature in your home using simple voice commands. Whether you want to make the house warmer or cooler, just ask your voice assistant and the Nest Thermostat will do the rest. Number 5. Quick and easy installation. If you're worried about the hassle of installing a new thermostat, don't be. The Nest Thermostat is designed for easy DIY installation, and most users can have it up and running in 30 minutes or less. You don't need to be a tech expert or hire a professional. The process is incredibly straightforward. The included instructions are easy to follow, and if you need help, the app provides step-by-step guidance. Number 6. HVAC monitoring for peace of mind. The Nest Thermostat doesn't just manage your home's temperature, it also keeps an eye on your heating and cooling systems. If something seems off with your HVAC system, the thermostat will send you alerts, helping you avoid potential problems before they become costly repairs. These alerts also come with helpful reminders to make maintenance easier. Number 7. Sleek and modern design. In addition to its high-tech features, the Nest Thermostat boasts a sleek, minimalist design that complements any home decor. The device's clean lines and simple white finish make it blend effortlessly into any room, while its easy-to-read display ensures you can quickly check or adjust the temperature. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.